Jolie.
I'm Phan.
Today we would like to talk about the environmental protection. The environment is the foundation of human life and socio-economic development. Environmental pollution and climate change have been and are the matter for the whole society to pay attention to, which directly affects to the industrialization, modernization, and sustainable development. The temperature of the earth is getting warmer and natural disasters and floods are increasing because of environmental pollution and climate change. So the climate change and environmental pollution are serious global threat.
That's the reason why we decided to speak up. The environmental protection is the responsibility of all us. Yes, each of us must have a good sense of the environmental protections. When someone asks how to protect the environment, don't overthinking, don't think that the environmental protection is doing something too complex or too difficult. Protect our environment is just doing something small. Start from your
As
own
you can
action.
see, there are many vehicles on the road in Canada in the early morning until the late night. Along with social development, vehicles are developing and increasing significantly. People have their own cars and they ride every single day. The amount of smoke, dust from cars, motorbikes is also huge. To decrease the amount of vehicles, we can use public transportation such as buses, trains, streetcars. It also helps to reduce the air pollution, decrease traffic jams. Walking and biking not only protect environment but also help us to improve our mental health. Applying the environmental protection lectures in schools, college, universities to raise awareness as well as reduce action that cause pollutions. Putting trash and garbage in the right places and recycle things. Then participating volunteer campaign about protecting environment.
Is that we have to reduce food waste. Everyone is talking about how much food Canadians eat, but we hear less about how much food they don't. In Canada, we do about 40% of our food every year. In fact, the amount of global food waste produced each year is more than enough to feed the nearly 1 billion hungry people in the world. Luckily, there are many easy ways to be more careful about our consumption and reduce the amount of food waste we produce on a daily basis. 1. We shouldn't be much food left over. 2. Eating locally it reduces the amount of energy it takes to ship food. 3. Use microwave, and the last one is use reusable shopping bags.
Hey guys, let's act for an everlasting planet. For me, for you, and for all of us to live in a green, clean, and beautiful environment. If you have ever thought wrong, then right now, change your mind and join us. Let's all contribute to a better future, and so you even set yourself.
Anytime you can reduce the amount of water you use, reduce the use of electricity, or save on natural resources, you help protect the environment in important ways. I hope you guys enjoy this idea and you will start practicing a technique or two in your daily routine. If not all, you can easily follow a few. I know a few of us practicing green living won't change the environment around us, but still I would like to wake up to a tomorrow where the earth is cleaner and environment is safer to live.